Oh, no, it's not me. You're
Okay.
sharing. You're sharing.
Sandra,
Yes.
we have to accept again.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. And the reservoir pressure is increasing really fast,
Mm-hmm.
and we have to handle with this decline. In our strategy
Yes.
today is injecting water,
Mm-hmm.
and we have to present to the council what
Mm-hmm.
we are doing
To
to handle
increase.
with
To
the
handle.
to
Yes.
handle with this pressure decline. So
Uh-huh.
they understand we want to drill,
Uh-huh.
and drill will increase this depletion, but
Uh-huh.
we are doing something
Uh-huh.
to handle with this depletion, because if we
Uh-huh.
drill more wells, the reservoir pressure will
Uh-huh.
decrease faster,
Uh-huh.
and we have to inject to reduce this depletion. So
Mm.
we try to show to them that we are doing something to drill and
Yes.
keep drilling,
Uh-huh.
and to keep to
To
keep
keep the
drilling
production.
and to keep drilling and injecting water. We want to drill because the thing is why you are proposing to drill
Uh-huh.
wells with, if we are seeing that reservoir pressure is reducing.
Yes,
This
that
doesn't make
was my
sense.
question.
Yes, okay, we are handling with the depletion, injecting water,
Mm-hmm.
and we are proposing to keep the development plan for drilling,
Mm-hmm.
because we are already injecting water, and we try to show to them that we are doing. This is
Mm-hmm.
the main of the objective of this
Of
next
this
slide. So
presentation, this meeting.
no, just this next slide.
Ah,
Show
this,
the,
okay.
yeah, show
Okay.
about the pressure and what we are doing to increase the reservoir pressure again.
Uh-huh. Is this your under your responsibility
Yes, this is my
specifically?
field. Yes.
It's you, it's about you, right?
Yes, I would present this, but my coordinator
Uh-huh.
present because the council was present.
Ah, so he made the presentation.
Yes,
Ah,
he
okay.
told me to do
Uh-huh.
if we just speak about technical stuff, but when the
Uh-huh.
council is present, the thing gets
He needs, yes,
more
serious. So,
serious.
yeah,
Yes,
so he has to make the presentation
yes, it has to
because
make.
he's the coordinator. Yes, I
Yes, it is.
understood.
So, and
Okay.
this is the pressure history of reservoir AUG 200 and AUG 3 and AUG 300. Here
Mm-hmm.
in 2022,
Mm-hmm.
2023, we drilled around 20 wells,
Wow.
and the reservoir pressure declines higher than
Mm.
before 2021, like you can see here.
Mm-hmm.
Here, the reservoir pressure is around 450 or 450 psi,
Uh-huh,
and
yes.
here in 2024
Mm-hmm.
around 330 to around
Mm.
330 psi. This decline, it's what was we are trying to avoid today, to
Uh-huh.
stop here, to stop in this field today.
Uh-huh.
This is for the both reservoirs. This is just something like a zoom in this data here.
Mm-hmm.
This data
Mm-hmm.
here is here. We
Okay.
just do some zoom to understand how the pressure
Uh-huh.
is declining
Uh-huh.
between 2021 and 2025. This is the pressure just in Alagamar 200 between
200.
2006 to 2025. The pressure in the beginning, it's around 55.
Just a second. When you mention pressure, is the pressure that the oil comes out,
No, the
not?
pressure in the reservoir.
Okay, in the
In the
reservoir.
reservoir.
Is it good to have high pressure? Yes,
No,
right?
because this is good, but in this case, this pressure is um, is not too high because this reservoir is shallow, around 500 meters.
Mm,
It's a shallow reservoir.
okay, this is 500 meters. Well, it's not less than, this is the pressure, right?
Yes, this is the pressure, but
Uh,
this reservoir, the depth of
this
this
one,
reservoir, no, this
can
the
you
depth
see?
of the
Ah,
three reservoir is around 500 meters.
okay, okay,
The depth.
okay.
And the original pressure is around 560,
Mm-hmm.
580 psi.
Yes, 80.
And today it's around here, like
Wow.
here,
Yes, it's very low.
350. Yes.
It's not good, right? Then
Not good, not good.
it's not
It's really
good.
bad.
Why is it happening? Because you exploited.
Yes.
Yes, okay, this is due
When
to the exploitation.
it happened in every reservoir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Maybe not happens in the reservoir that we have an aquifer, because the
Uh-huh.
aquifer can fill the spaces in the reservoir
Uh-huh.
that was produced. For example, I produce the oil,
Uh-huh.
and below of the reservoir I have an aquifer, and
Uh,
this aquifer will it will fill the space in
mm-hmm.
the reservoir that
Ah,
was in the past filled with oil, and it
uh,
can keep
gives
the
more
reservoir pressure
pressure.
higher.
Okay,
Yes,
that's
and keep
why
the
you
reservoir
inject
pressure higher
water, right?
to increase
To
the reservoir
increase the
pressure.
pressure, the pressure.
Yes,
Okay, good. Got it.
and this is for AUG 300, AUG 400,
Mm,
and this is our the actual development plan for 2026. We show it, I show it, my coordinator show it to them that we are planning to do 5 convert to injection and the 6th
mm-hmm,
location for drilling.
mm-hmm. Yes.
Here is just the production of
Mm-hmm,
the neighborhood wells
mm-hmm.
to the location. This is the
Uh-huh.
location. This is the neighborhood wells.
Mm-hmm.
Every graph here will show this, the drilling wells and the neighborhood wells, the
Uh-huh.
production, because we have to estimate the production of these ones with the
Uh-huh.
production of the neighborhood wells. So this
Uh-huh.
well is producing here around 90 barrels with
Uh-huh.
6,000 cubic meters of gas to base the production of these ones.
Mm.
Saying these ones will produce close to these ones production.
Okay. Okay. So you, yes, by until now, I understood that you are exposing the situation and the decrease on the production, everything you are
Mm-hmm.
doing to improve the production. But anyways, because of the so many years exploiting these reservoirs,
Yes.
uh, it's necessary to drill more wells. So
Yes,
then you
we
can
have to
improve the
drill.
production.
Yes, we have to drill these wells because we have a huge plan, and in this plan is included, we call it to to how can I say adensar?
A- tornar mais denso?
É,
To increase the density. To,
yeah,
hum,
like this. We
adensar.
have to drill more wells to increase the density of
Density.
wells in some area
Aham,
to convert wells close of these new drilling wells to
aham.
increase the oil production
To
by water
increase the
injection.
pressure? No.
Increase the oil production by water injection.
Ah, okay. By water
Understand?
injection.
Yes, because in some areas we have
Aham,
space to put some wells.
aham,
And in these areas, we have, for example, here.
aham.
Okay, this well will be converted by to inject water, right?
Ah, so
I will convert
okay.
here,
So
this
you're
one.
not going to exploit oil anymore. You're going to inject
Yes.
water in the
No,
same
this
well.
this green well I will convert to an injector. Today is a
Okay.
producer, but
Okay.
here I have space to put a new well. So
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I will drill this one,
Uh-huh.
convert this one to injector, and the
Uh-huh.
water that I will inject here will
Uh-huh.
move the oil in this
Uh-huh.
area for this
Uh-huh.
one. The
Okay.
oil will be moved to this
Will
one,
increase the
the oil
pressure,
production.
the
Like
oil
we are seeing,
production.
yes, increase the oil production.
Okay,
This.
good. Understand. Very well. Well done.
The same curve, the same
Mm-hmm.
locations.
Mm-hmm.
And here is the type curve of the first one. And like I said, I use this, this is the location. I use this wells production
Uh-huh.
here to estimate the drilling well production. This,
Uh-huh.
this continuous green line is
Uh-huh.
the production of the drilling well,
Uh-huh.
and this dotted green line is the
Uh,
average production of the neighborhood
average.
well,
Average.
average, yes, average production of the neighborhood wells. And this
Okay.
dotted blue line is the drilling well production after risk. Because to drill, we have some risk like uh, stratigraphic risks, um, water, BSW risk, depletion.
Mm-hmm.
We
Mm-hmm.
evaluate these risks
Uh-huh.
and put some factor
Uh-huh.
in the main production curve that we are estimating. We can produce we will produce something around these two curves here and here.
Okay.
This is we are estimating that the drilling oil production will be something here
In
around these
between.
two curves.
In
Between
between.
these curves. Yes,
Between
between
these
these
two
curves.
lines. These
Yes.
curves.
Yes.
Curves. Okay. Okay.
And then we did this for every drilling well.
Uh-huh.
And here is about the cost, the economics
Mm-hmm.
of the drilling wells.
Wow, good. That's what they really want to see. The cost
Yes.
and mainly the profits.
Yes. The actual cost is around 5 millions
Mm-hmm.
and 7,000 reais.
Yes.
700,000 reais.
Yes.
This is the cost, the drilling service,
Mm-hmm.
1,500,000. Drilling
Mm-hmm.
materials, completion service, completion materials.
Okay.
And this is the economic summary
Mm-hmm.
about the total cost of this well,
Okay.
around 5 millions and
Uh,
700,000 reais with a payback around
Mm-hmm.
on 11 months.
In 11 months.
Yes.
Okay. Excellent. So this is also your part.
No,
No, this
this is another person. My part ends here.
is this your
Here.
coordinator? Would be your
No, no,
coordinator
no, no.
part? No.
He's not my coordinator. We have
Finance.
in the no, we have here in the reservoir team
Mm-hmm.
another guy that is reservoir engineer, and he is responsible for
The
estimate the
calculations,
cost, yeah, to calculate the
the
cost of the
costs.
drilling and the
Okay.
completion.
Okay,
This is
okay, okay.
the drilling reservoir engineer, like this.
Okay. So your part is more like strategies for of exploiting
Yes,
and how to manage
strategy
the
for the field, reservoir
increase the
stuffs,
production.
improve the production, project evaluation,
Okay.
planning, development
Wonderful.
things.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Very
We are the
interesting.
brain, like this. We are the brain.
Yes. Yes, exactly. You are very important part, the main part, right,
Right.
of the team because the strategies you analyze the situation, the seismic, I mean
Yes.
everything,
Everything, and okay, we have this.
financial, everything, right?
Yes.
And then you propose, make a strategy,
Yes.
uh evaluating everything. Yes,
Yes,
good.
it is. It is.
Okay.
And it is. Here it is just about economical for
Mm-hmm.
every drilling well that we
Mm-hmm.
propose.
Mm-hmm.
Just about this.
Okay, this is about the investment
Yes.
cost. Yes. Of
Everything.
each, no,
Each of each well. Each well.
of each well.
Each well. Each
Separated.
drilling well.
Okay.
Separated cost.
Okay. Okay. Wow.
It
This is
is.
very detailed.
Yes, there is a lot
Yes.
of things. And let me see how many slides. 123 slides.
About the financial part now.
No, everything.
Okay.
Everything is
See,
around
that you presented to me
123.
now.
Yes,
Yes.
everything is here.
Okay. 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 Let me
But
check how it ends. Can you show me the last
okay.
slides? This is about conclusion, before the last one.
Yes, this is the conclusion about everything, what we
We
recommend.
recommend drilling the
Yes,
4
this
wells
is
this year to maintain the production.
production plan for the
And
Sabiá Joseph field in order
okay, at
priority
first
these
we are
wells,
executing
CPIs
associated
around the
secondary
oil wells
recovery response.
proposed.
Addition, we are proposing 2 locations, 6, right? Yes, like you said at the
This is
beginning.
extension wells. Extension
Okay,
wells. We are
okay.
proposing to location SBLW20,
Uh-huh.
SBLW50, and east goal for local
Uh,
critical rate of the reservoirs extends to east.
okay. So
This is
you work
the
with your directly with your coordinator
yes, my
on this
coordinator
strategy.
was
You and
responsible to end the presentation.
okay, but the strategy it was made by you and your coordinator.
Yes, we made together.
Okay, okay, amazing. Well done, Mateus.
Yes.
Well done.
So for this one, it was not too good
No,
because
uh-huh.
no in for the council because
Uh,
they don't approve it any well.
they didn't approve.
And they didn't approve
Oh my God.
because they want to see uh they want to us make a presentation about the last wells that we drilled and show to them the comparison between that we proposed and what the well really produced. And we have to
Ah,
do this presentation. About the seismic, they don't feel very confident about some information in
ah,
seismic, and we have to review it.
review.
And another things.
Uh-huh.
So we may do this presentation again in April, I think. But there is
Wow.
something that we had to
Uh-huh.
review with the team to present again. But the
Uh-huh.
presentation about we presentate about this one and about Paturi. For Paturi, we have the improvement for one well. We
Uh-huh.
presentate two wells. So we get just one improvement of
Mhm.
88 wells that we presented in this meeting.
Uh-huh.
We have to review a lot of things and try to get to get
Again.
improvement again.
Again. Yes.
It
By the
is.
end of April. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, well done. No, our next class will be on Thursday, right?
Just yes. In
See
Thursday.
you.
See you.
Bye bye.